Another test recording. You can call me Harness Boy because this is what I'm doing, is testing out my halter. It holds the phone. See how it records, and we got a little bit of a fiesta going on over here. Navidad fiesta. For the staff, they're down in the common area. Sounds like they're having a good time. I'm just headed downtown to get my hair cut, see my boy DJ Blade. Just leaving Caribe Campo, my favorite complex in Caribe Campo. Hola. It's like a ghost town in here right now because all the staff is eating and getting lit downstairs, except you. Wow, mi hermano.
Gracias.
Ah, de nada. Feliz Navidad. Pronto.
Gracias, igual para ti también.
Ah, trae. You know, no comida para ti. No comida para ti. No fiesta. Okay. Necesito grande fiesta. Fiesta gran fiesta. How about those freaking Eagles, bro? How about those Eagles? The Vikings suck, bro. I'll see you in a bit. You going downtown? Yeah, I need Detroit to glues out. Yeah, Ravens suck too. I'll catch you later, brother. I don't think so. I think we're going to win it all, bro. Yeah, I think so. They're looking good. Mahomes is hurt. He's a crybaby. Another beautiful sunny day today, but we've been getting slammed with rain. The first year I got here, I landed on October 22nd. I didn't see rain for 8 weeks, not even a misting. And now we've had not like 8 weeks of rain. I think we've had maybe 8 sunny days in 8 weeks almost, something like that. There's been no more than about 10 sunny days over the last 2 months. It's been crazy wet. It's just too much. Demasiado lluvia. No bueno. Por negocio no bueno. Hola, amigo. Everything's good. So I don't know if I got you on a wide lens here. Yeah, it's a wide lens, so you get more of everything. I'm gonna tip you up because once I get on the bike here, I'm going to be leaning down, so we tip you up like this, we should be good to go. Let's see my boy DJ Blade. Gonna get a nice bear fade and a shave. 700 pesos. Muchas gracias. Friday is my day to hang out with Blade, get a haircut. I should go every week, every 2 to, well, it used to be every 5 weeks, but I think my hair is growing faster down here. Garden Kid School is right here. I'm releasing a video. Well, it depends when this video makes. This video might not come out for weeks now. But today's Friday, what, the 19th? Hola. birthday party tonight. Hola! I forgot about that. Carolina's birthday. Video coming out of the Garden Kids International School Christmas concert. I was down there taking a video of my boy Caesar. Look at this guy's bike. Look at this bike. Todo limpia. No sucio. Mi moto muy sucio. Muy sucio. This is a tricky intersection. It doesn't matter if the light's green or red. It's weird to get out of. You gotta be careful. Because green doesn't mean go in this country. Green means look both ways. Traffic on Friday, it is 3 o'clock my time, which is 2 o'clock Eastern. 3 o'clock local time, number 257. And this is what traffic looks like on the 5. It's poco loco. Little crazy. But head on the swivel. I always get weirded out when I'm recording because, well, I've been pretty lucky so far. Lucky and skillful as a driver, and I'm not an idiot most times. So I'd hate to have my first accident be actually recorded. Record my own death. We laugh. Don't joke. No gracioso. No hilarious. Everybody drives a bike down here, even the girls. This is the main intersection going down into the heart of downtown Sosua. El Batey. King restaurant on the left. Blue Ice across the street on the right. I don't attend these places because I rarely leave my house. With my boy. Hola, Bologna! ¿Qué paso? But that's your own fault for falling for the scam. Oh, I just need tomorrow. And I see the guy all the time, all around, so I'm kind of a sucker for falling for the I just need 2,000 pesos scam. Anyways, hopefully this recorded all. The chicas don't like it. None of the girls like being recorded here, so I try not to do that and respect their wishes. There's 10 minutes of a beautiful day down here. Right across from Carolinda, that's this. And the Casa Valera. And New Garden Hotel's down the street. Peace out.